day. My name is Kriti Sharma and I am a third year student at Iihm Delhi. I am here with my colleague Manasam Nair and today we will be discussing about the maintenance of hygiene in kitchen department of the hotel industries.
Maintaining hygiene in the kitchen is crucial for food safety and public health. A clean kitchen prevents the growth of harmful bacteria and minimizes the risk of foodborne illness.
This involves regular cleaning of surfaces, proper food storage and ensuring that all kitchen tools and utensils are sanitized. By establishing a routine that prioritizes cleanliness, food handlers can create a safe environment for food preparation.
One key framework that supports kitchen hygiene is hazard analysis and critical control points, also known as HACCP. This systematic approach identifies potential hazard in food preparation process and establishes crucial control points to mitigate these risks.
By implementing HACCP principles, kitchens can proactively address potential sources of contamination, ensuring that the food remains safe from the point of preparation to consumption. Training staff on HACCP practices is essential for compliance and effective food safety management.
In India, the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India (FSSAI) plays a vital role in regulating food safety and hygiene standards. FSSAI sets guidelines that all food businesses must follow to ensure safety and quality of food products.
Compliance with FSSAI regulation involves regular inspection, proper documentation and adherence to hygiene protocols. This not only protects consumers but also enhances the credibility of food establishments.
Therefore, maintaining hygiene in the kitchen is crucial for food safety. Adhering to FSSAI and HACCP standards ensure contamination control, proper handling and safe preparations.
Thank you folks.
That's it for today. See you in the next video.